Hey everyone, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and this video is going to be a quick demonstration of ConversioBot. So this is going to be a ConversioBot demo, a walkthrough, and just a quick tutorial of how it all works to show you what it looks like inside the ConversioBot dashboard. So this is what it looks like when you first sign into your account, and as you can see there's a video for you to watch as an introductory video. You can go to your account to alter your password or your email address. There's a video to watch about goals, and if you scroll down it shows which of the OTOs, which of the upsells that you bought. So we have ConversioBot Pro, Done For You Pro, the Auto Chatbot Builder, ConversioBot Extreme, and of course the agency license. And down below it shows your bots, so these are the chatbots that I've created so far. I'm just going to close this, and then down here of course there is the privacy terms, disclaimer, and everything like that. So there's two menus, and I'm just going to look at the left menu first. So if I click on My Bots, that's just another display of the Conversio bots that I've created before. So I've got my BreakerBot here, which you can find a link to on my blog post, which is in the description, and there's also a link to my full ConversioBot review in the description, and also links to any other videos that I've created on ConversioBot, so be sure to check that out. And while I'm on it, be sure to give me a quick subscribe. And this is just the insurance broker bot is just one that I'm working on as a demonstration. And then if we look at chatbot templates, these are the templates that come with ConversioBot Pro. There's actually quite a few of them, and they're more generic, so you can kind of plug any niche that you want into these. They're like leading survey, get leads, customer service, conference registration, and so on. Chatbot training is a bunch of video tutorials created by Simon Wood, the co-founder, and they're really great, and you can check them off as completed as you do them. Then advanced training is, of course, the advanced training. This is for the upsells. I haven't gone through all of these yet, but I should. Bonuses is even more training. You have some webinars here. I watched one of them, I believe. Then data and analytics is where you can see the analytics from your conversations. And general settings is where you can integrate your marketing automations, your Zapier and webhooks, and this is also where you can manage bot branding universally for all of your bots, change the language, and alter the SMTP servers. Or not the servers, sorry, just the information. And then of course there's the VIP support section, which is just a form that you can fill out to send a request to the support staff. There's My Profile, again, where you can alter your email and password, and log out, of course, logs you out. So now we'll just take a quick look at the top menu, which brings us to the Chatbot Builder. Here you can click on Create a Bot to create a brand new one. Done For You Pro is another library of templates. There's tons of categories, tons of different, more specific ones here. We have conference registration, health insurance, hotel bookings, human resources, insurance broker, mortgage broker, and so on. The Auto Chatbot Builder is up next. As you can see, you can fill out the information, and then once that's filled out and you select a template, then you're able to just launch the bot from there. Extreme, this isn't where you actually access the Extreme option, so this is just some Extreme training videos. And then of course the agency license. As you can see, there's user management, website management, specific training videos, and some VIP training videos. And that is all the menus. So we're just going to take a quick look at how you can get a bot together really quickly. So let's just go to the chatbot templates, and let's say maybe I wanted to create a contact us bot. I'm just going to say use template, and it asks me if I want to use this template, so I say OK. And now it opens up the template in the builder. So I can go into these blocks and I can modify things. So it says hello and welcome to Anderson Inc., but maybe I want it to say hello and welcome to Alex Incorporated. And then I can save that, and that's changed now. And then I could go to, so obviously I would want to do more to modify this, but we're just taking a quick look here. I can go to the design section, and you can actually change the look and feel of the chatbot here. So if I wanted a gradient instead of a solid color in the background, we could do that. I don't like the way that looks though, so we're going to go back to a solid color. And you can even change the bot design a little bit. You can move them from left to right on the screen, and that's for the widget bot, the kind of the basic version of the bot. And you can add text overlay, so it might be saying, oh no, that's the secondary overlay text, that's the hover text, so it might be saying hello, so that would kind of tempt people to go over there and click on it. And then we have the settings, and this is where you really set everything up, all the different advanced features ranging from the email marketing to goals, Google Ads, Facebook Pixels, custom branding, all kinds of stuff that you can do in the settings. And then when you're done with that, you go to publish, and that's where you can get the link for your full page bot, or the embed code for your embedded bot, or the information that you need to launch your bot. And then basically after I made any changes that I would want to make, I would say save, and then I would click on launch, and the bot would be launched. And if we go back to my bots, you can see I now have a contact us bot. But I'm just going to turn that off because I don't want to waste their system resources. And just to prove that BreakerBot works, we can go to the website that I have set up for BreakerBot, which is bot.alextucker.ca. And there's BreakerBot. He's chatting away at us. And there you have it. That is my ConversioBot demonstration, a little ConversioBot demo for you, a quick tutorial, and a little bit of an overview and a walkthrough of the product. So if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. If there's anything you'd like to see examined more closely about ConversioBot, let me know. I'm thinking about doing a few ConversioBot tutorials. We might do some some specific ones about each of the OTOs. So let me know if there's anything you want to see, and be sure to subscribe if you're interested in that kind of content. I will see you in the next video.